Hi, Chloe. I'm just going to give you some video feedback. I know Kyle's giving you some feedback. I just wanted to add some things. You have given yourself a letter grade here, but you really have to give probably about 7 to 8 points of justification. Use this guide. You need to get used to doing that because in the final analysis, you're going to be doing a self-assessment. And you want to take some time to do a really good job on that self-assessment to convince us that you've done what you need to do. Here, now I don't know what's going on, but I don't see this activity. So that's missing. Missing activity um, from lesson one, right? So that's, and then you're creating a parent engagement newsletter. You spend about, a little bit kind of looking at things um, to do that, which is great. But obviously, you need to spend more time. At 6 to 8 hours, you probably should be finished now. We're in the week 4. And I don't see a reflection here. So you're missing an activity. You don't have the reflection. You spend about an hour here. Uh, so you're actually not at a passing level, just so you know. Um, I guess you've done the reflection. Sorry, you've done the reflection. I apologize, but I don't see a very detailed plan here. So that's a bit of a concern. You've done a good job with the contributions there, and you've made a link here, but that's not how you have to do it. Please follow the examples here. And so really, I would say you're kind of at a C level because, well, it's almost like a non-passing level because you have to do the Gen A activity to pass. Moving to week 2, you give yourself an A minus. Again, you need to give yourself a lot. You have to give a lot more points. You're given some, but this doesn't convince me. A minus is a high grade, so you got to convince me of that. This is your information literacy list. Let's take a look. Um, yeah, it's a decent list, not formatted the best way, but I think you've got the essentials part, and then you've given a pretty decent summary here. These things are a bit thin on description in terms of what you've done, but as in what did you learn and what was your critical thinking on there? But that's it's pretty solid. This is completely, so I'm going to just put insert comment entry is missing. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know where you're going right now. It looks like you spent about 60 minutes on it. You've put the in-class debate here, which I can look at. Actually, it's unable to load the conversation. You'll see that. I think that's because you didn't create an account. You have to create an account to do that. So that's a problem. And I don't know what you did in class. So, and then you didn't share a resource. So you're still sitting at a pretty low level right now. It's more for incomplete work than the quality of work. I don't see anything for week 3 or for week 4. So you are kind of, in my mind, in that sort of yellow zone, kind of warning zone here. Um, and I would encourage you to really, I know this is a lot of work, but you really need to kind of focus if you want to pass this course. So that's my feedback.